leftover turkey that you don't know what to do with? Well, I love leftover turkey. I look forward to the day after Thanksgiving because of leftover turkey. Because I always make hot browns. They're the Kentucky hot browns that were introduced by a chef back in 1926 in Louisville, Kentucky. This is at the Brown Hotel. And the chef wanted to fix an appetizer. And so he created this open-faced sandwich to serve to the dancers. And they loved it. It has been a hit ever since. And it's definitely a hit in my family. So let me show you how to make this delicious hot brown with leftover turkey. Let's get started. Let's start by making our bacon. I have 6 slices of bacon that I'm going to cook to a nice crispy brown. Our bacon is finished. Not as golden brown as I'd like it, but it looks pretty good. Okay, now let's start on our cheese sauce or Mornay sauce. Take 2 tablespoons of butter. We want that butter to melt. And then put 2 tablespoons of flour in. And we want to stir this in and let it brown a little until the flour taste is gone. That's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes. Now that is browned nicely. So I want to slowly start adding my milk products. First I'm adding 1 cup, and let's do this slowly, of milk. Make a little mess there. Stir that in well. I have a cup of half and half I want to add. And continue to stir. Now we do not want this to boil. We want to bring it to what's just before or just a light simmer, but not a boil, or else our milk products will separate. I'm going to put about 1/4 teaspoon of salt in, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to add just a squirt of sriracha sauce. Any hot sauce is good. And then you'll want a pinch of nutmeg. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. It's been shredded. And I want 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese. 2, 3, and 4, a little bit extra. Now my sauce is thickening up nicely and the cheeses are melting. And so I'm going to remove it from the heat, or just keep it on a very, very low heat and stir it frequently while I work on the rest of my sandwich. Now I'm going to take a slice of bread for each serving, and I've got an oven-proof dish that can also go under, well, it says no broiler. I better not do that. I am going to put it under the broiler, but I'll keep it at a distance. What I'm going to do is toast my bread first. I'm using sourdough, but you can choose whichever kind of bread you want. Now while my bread is toasting, I'm going to put my tomatoes under the broiler and let them heat up and get just a little toasty on the top. Okay, my bread is toasted. Oops, bent it. And I'm going to put it in my little bowl. Let's put a little cheese sauce onto the toast. This is a very rich sandwich. Then put the turkey on. A little more sauce. Spread that out. I don't want too much sauce on mine. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to take my tomato, sit on there, and sprinkle with a little of the grated Parmesan cheese. And now let's put this under the broiler for just a few minutes. Okay, now once it's browned like this, you just want to put your bacon on top. And I like to put a couple of pieces of bacon on. In fact, I'm going to make it 3 pieces. Like so. And then sprinkle a little parsley. And there you have it. Isn't that great? Okay, let's try this. I thought I was recording and I wasn't, so I get to take 2 bites. Okay, here we go. Let's dig into this. I want to get a bite that has a tomato and turkey and bacon in it. Well, not too big a bite, or I'll make a mess right in front of you. While I'm doing this, if you like this video, please subscribe, hit that like button. Okay, now then, here we go. That's very tasty. It's just like I remember. This is an excellent dish to serve to your friends. And what better way than to use your leftover turkey. Also, I've steamed some asparagus here and just put a little salt and pepper on it. So very easy to make. And this whole dinner is pretty easy to make. So give it a try. And if you like this video, please click like, make a comment, and watch my future videos. Thanks so much. See you soon. Bye now.